Hello, my name is Ed, and I want to say hello to the Robotics Club at UCLA. And today I'm going to show you that the Breadboard Arduino works. Okay, here is the PDF of the Breadboard Arduino. I pretty much Googled Breadboard Arduino. You can probably also find it from sparkfun.com or umlaut.com. Pretty much relied on this for the design. I also did like a lot of research in the past month to make sure that I don't fry anything. So, okay, this is the Breadboard Arduino right here. The microprocessor is the ATmega 328P-PU, and then this is an LED module that I made from Lady Aya's tutorials, and I put them together so that I can show you that this thing works. So give me a minute, I gotta plug it into the battery. Okay, so the LED, this red LED is on to indicate that there is power running in this system, and then this button will tell the microprocessor to change the programming of the LEDs so that it can blink differently. So it's all on, and then it alternates between red and green, and then it does pretty much that effect. I don't know what to call it. And then it turns it off. And then I could also show you the reset button right here. It'll pretty much shut it off, and that thing will blink, and this thing will blink as well. These two LEDs. I don't know why. I don't know. Probably got to figure that out in the future. But it pretty much resets everything, so we can go for another round. Two things I want to improve in the future. I want to add a 3.3 volt voltage regulator in case there's some electronics that requires the lower voltage. Right now it's using a 5 volt voltage regulator. I also want to add some backwards voltage polarity protection in case I or someone else plugs in the battery stuff backwards, and it could potentially fry the whole thing. And also in the future I will probably hook it up to photo resistors or photo sensors and a motor so we could control a line following robot. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.